Let's build stack and queue data structures in C programming language. First, create the header file that defines our data structures. Start with header guard to prevent multiple inclusion. Include standard Boolean library for bool type. Define stack structure with items array and metadata. Define queue structure for circular buffer implementation. Declare stack function prototypes. Declare queue function prototypes. Complete the header guard too with closing directive. Now implement the stack data structure. Include necessary headers in our data structures header. Implement function to create a new stack. Allocate memory for the stack structure itself. Allocate memory for the stack items array. Initialize stack metadata with empty state. Implement function to destroy stack and free memory. Implement push operation with dynamic resizing. Check if stack is full and resize by doubling capacity. Implement pop operation with underflow check. Implement peek operation to view top element. Implement helper functions to check stack state. Now implement the queue data structure. Include headers and data structures header. Implement function to create a new queue. Allocate memory for the queue structure itself. Allocate memory for the queue items array. Implement function to destroy queue in free memory. Implement enqueue operation with dynamic resizing. Check if queue is full and prepare for resizing. Copy existing items while maintaining their order. Update queue metadata after successful resizing. Calculate new rear position with wraparound logic. Implement dequeue operation with underflow check. Implement peek operation to view front element. Implement helper functions to check queue state. Check if queue is full by comparing size to capacity. Now create the main program to demonstrate both data structures. Include standard input-output and our header file. Create function to demonstrate stack operations. Create a stack with initial capacity of 3. Push 3 values onto the stack. Pop all elements from the stack until empty. Test error handling by trying to pop from empty stack. Properly destroy the stack and free all memory. Create function to demonstrate queue operations. Enqueue 3 values into the queue. Enqueue 2 more values after dequeuing some. Dequeue all remaining elements from the queue. Test queue error handling with empty queue. Properly destroy the queue and free all memory. Create main function to run demonstrations. Create a makefile to build our project easily. Define compiler and flags for strict checking. Define build targets and dependencies. Define clean and run targets for convenience. Now compile and run our stack and queue implementation. Run the program to see stack and queue in action. Check that all files were created correctly. Clean up the compile files using make clean. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our website. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.